First, click on Register and read the instructions carefully. Then click Continue to accept the terms and conditions. Enter your personal details. Choose your snap test date and city. You can select all 3 test attempts if you want. The earlier you pay, the better is your chance to select your preferred test city. Upload a recent passport size photo and click Review all the information you've entered and confirm it before moving ahead. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email, then submit. You'll instantly receive your Snap ID and password via email and SMS. Keep them safe for future communication. Proceed to pay the Snap Test registration fee of 2,250 rupees per test plus applicable taxes. Verify that your payment is successful and proceed. Fill in your academic qualifications and any relevant work experience. Choose the programs you wish to apply for from the list. Provide your correspondence address and click Save and continue. Pay the program registration fee of 1,000 rupees per program plus applicable taxes to complete your application. If you choose multiple test attempts and programs, the total will be calculated at 2,250 rupees per test and 1,000 rupees per program plus taxes. Complete your registration today at snaptest.org and take the first step towards your Symbiosis MBA journey.